Good morning, students. Let us start a discussion of how to do program to add three numbers. So as usual, you just click File in the menu bar and choose New. Then try to change the name of the program with the help of F2 or else Save from File menu. Now change the name of the program. First delete the default name noname.cpp. Then give the name of the program file. Let it be addition. Of course, you have to give the extension .c. So the path is c:/tc/bin/ followed by the name of the program with the extension .c. Click OK. Once you click OK, you can see the name of the program as addition.c. Now, as I told you earlier, always have the practice of including a comment statement in the beginning itself to say the aim of the program. So, it is the program to add three integer numbers. Then close the comment statement, star or asterisk followed by slash. Then press enter to go to the new line. Now we have to include the compiler directives. Enter keyword include include lesser than symbol standard input output.h stdio.h. Then include include lesser than symbol conio.h in order to include console input output.h. Then press enter to come to the next line. Start the main function. This function is not going to return any value, so the return data type of main is represented by void. VOID. The return data type of main is void. Name of the function main followed by the empty pair of parentheses. Press enter. Open the body of the main function with the help of a flower bracket. Then press enter to make a new line. In order to have the clarity, try to have the indentation in the program. So press enter, and then the aim of the program is to add three integer numbers. So first of all, declare three integer variables in order to add them. So the declaration statement int followed by number 1 number1 comma the second variable is number 2 comma number 3, and I wanted to have another variable in order to store the addition of these three numbers. So let it be result, 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 and this result is going to be naturally of the integer data type, because adding three integer numbers will again result in another integer number. Once after declaring all these four variables with the help of a declaration statement, you terminate it. So enter the semicolon here. Once after declaring these variables, our aim is to first receive these three variables values from the user. So enter a message reading the values in the variable. The variables number 1, number 2, number 3. Then end the comment statement. As usual, clear the screen with the help of CL or SCR function before its first use. Then give the message to the user to enter the first number. So with the help of the output statement printf, printf, open the bracket, open the double quotes, enter a new line character, /n is the escape sequence to enter a new line in the output, then enter the message saying that enter the first number, FIRST number, NUMBER, put a colon and try to have a tab character in the output once after this message. So enter the escape sequence that represents the tab /T. Close the string, close the bracket and terminate it. Now the user will try to enter the number, try to read it with the help of the scanf statement. Make use of the %d, which specifies the format of the integer value, comma, followed by the address operator followed by the name of the variable, namely number 1. Close the bracket, terminate it. Then again give a printf statement in order to print. Enter the second number. Begin with the new line. Give the message, enter the second number, NUMBER, second number. Put a semicolon, /T, close the quotes, close the bracket, terminate it. Make use of a scanf statement in order to read and save it in the second variable. To do so, the control string is %d, which specifies the format of the integer value, comma, address operator, number 2. Close the bracket, terminate it. Then again make use of the output statement printf to give the message in the new line, /n, enter the third THRD number, BER, colon, /T, close the quotes, close the bracket, terminate it. Scanf, open the bracket. The control string is %d, which specifies the format of an integer value, comma, followed by the address operator followed by the corresponding variable name is number 3, NUMBER 3. Close it, terminate it. So far what we have done is we have given the messages, enter the first number and read the first number, enter the second number message and read the second number into the variable number 2, and finally we have given the message, enter the third number and read the value in the third variable number 3. Now our aim is to calculate the addition of these three numbers. So include the comment statement, perform addition, close the comment statement. Then result is equal to the assignment operator equal to number 1, NUMBER1 plus NUMBER2 plus NUMBER3 semicolon. So what we are trying to do here is we are trying to add number 1, number 2, number 3 with the help of the arithmetic operators plus symbol, and we assign this resultant to the variable result with the help of the assignment operator equal sign. I told you in the theory session itself, the equal sign is the assignment operator in the C language. So once after performing the addition operation, our aim is to display the result. So enter a comment statement appropriately over here, saying that display of the result, RESULT, result. Close the comment statement. Then make use of the printf statement in order to print the result. printf, open the bracket, open the double quotes, of course with the new line, in a new line, slash n, the addition of the given three numbers is equal to percentage %d. Here the value of the result will get displayed to you. So close the quotes, the double quotes, put a comma, followed by the result, the variable RESULT, result. Close the bracket, terminate it. Then of course at the end, as usual, you include the get characters, terminate it, close the main function. Since the program is having only one function, it is not only the close of main function but also the close of program. Now save the program either by pressing F2 or by selecting save from file menu. Now I press F2 in order to save it. I have saved it. Now compile it. In order to compile, you make use of the shortcut keys Alt plus F9. It gave a success message to me. Then I just press Ctrl F9. So it is asking me to enter the first number. Let the first number be 3. Let the second number be 4. Let the third number be 5. The result is the addition of the given t numbers is 12. So with this, we'll come to an end of this program session. You try to proceed in the same way to multiply 3 given numbers. Thank you students. Have a nice day.